Welcome back to the most luxurious Top 5 channel, people. Today, we are going to take you on a dazzling journey into the world of luxury and extravagance as we explore the top 5 most expensive diamonds in the world. These precious gems have captured the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts with their breathtaking beauty and jaw-dropping price tags. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we uncover the stories behind these extraordinary jewels. 1. The Pink Star Diamond, $71.2 million. Our countdown begins with the Pink Star Diamond, a 59.60 carat oval mixed-cut pink diamond that fetched a record-breaking $71.2 million at auction. This stunning gem is famous for its exceptional color and clarity, making it one of the most sought-after diamonds in the world. 2. The Oppenheimer Blue Diamond, $57.5 million. Next up is the Oppenheimer Blue Diamond, a magnificent 14.62 carat vivid blue diamond named after its previous owner, Sir Philip Oppenheimer. This rare gem set a new record when it sold for $57.5 million, making it one of the most expensive diamonds ever sold at auction. 3. The Winston Blue Diamond, $23.8 million. Coming in at number 3 is the Winston Blue Diamond, a mesmerizing 13.22 carat pear-shaped blue diamond that was once owned by the legendary jeweler Harry Winston. This exquisite gem fetched an impressive $23.8 million at auction, solidifying its place as one of the most valuable diamonds in the world. 4. The Pink Promise Diamond, $32.1 million. Our fourth entry is the Pink Promise Diamond, a 14.93 carat fancy vivid pink diamond that sold for $32.1 million at auction. This rare gem is prized for its intense color and exceptional clarity, making it a highly coveted piece among diamond connoisseurs. 5. The Graph Pink Diamond, $46 million. Last but certainly not least is the Graph Pink Diamond, a stunning 24.78 carat emerald cut pink diamond that was purchased by renowned jeweler Lawrence Graph for a staggering $46 million. This extraordinary gem is considered one of the most beautiful and valuable pink diamonds in existence. And there you have it. The top 5 most expensive diamonds in the world, each one a true marvel of nature and a testament to the enduring allure of these mesmerizing gemstones. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of luxury and opulence. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more fascinating content on the world's most extraordinary treasures. Until next time, stay sparkling!
Yeah.